Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And now this is coming from, I do believe, SABLUTE. And you guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. And now this is going to be a 9-colored backlight wireless combo KL7. Like I said, all you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. Looks really nice. Manufacturer, Space GEEK technology, based in China. Alright. Definitely like these styles of keyboards, and you'll see why. So you get the manual, it's always a good thing. You get a Type-C adapter, USB. You get the USB cable. Got a nice little thank you card. And now here's a mouse. That's what it looks like. And right there's a RGB light. Super slim. Great for laptops, Macs, Windows, desktops. You never know, whatever you use. Mini PCs, tablets, iPads. And then here is the USB dongle or receiver, whatever you guys want to call it these days. Super tiny. And they got a component right there, so you could just store it away in case you go on the road. It's always good to have extra keyboards and mice around the house, because you never know these days in case you spill something on it. But look how slim this is. Nice jet black. Got the button right here. And then nice little dial. Got the silver, chrome, platinum. Who knows? Maybe silver. Feels good too on the thumb or the finger. It lights up from here. It looks sweet though. And now here's the main one. Super slim keyboard. Look at that. Looks like you put your phone or iPod here or something. You never know. Maybe some pens or one of those drawing tablet pens. Got the numeric key right here. Tabs. If you press M1, M2, M3, one of these three, that will change the different modes for the lights. And I think this is for the brightness. It shows in the manual. So, oops. Here we go. I think I need to charge this. There's an off and on switch. And they got the non-slip guards, or whatever you want to call them, right there. USB, I think, goes here. Somewhere in there. And turn on. And lay it on for a second. I'm gonna have to plug it into the computer and test this thing out. But I like to feel the keys. It feels really nice. This is how I usually type. So go. But yeah, really nice. There's Alt button, FN. Alright, go ahead and plug this thing in. Let's get rolling. Wow. Look at this. Looks good even with the lights on. You can see the RGBs. And then, like I said, let's make it dim. Change it. This is really nice. Look at this. That's really bright. I'm going to shut the lights off in a second. I just want to cycle through the different modes. I like this. But yeah, this feels really good. And I gotta find my phone. Hold on. Here we go. I mean, it's still kind of bright out. So, but looks good. And see, look at that. I got my phone. You can watch a game or a movie while you're doing your work. You know, or answer a Zoom call. Like that. Bada boom. Look how bright this is, though. Take that off. And like I said, maybe a pen. So you won't lose it. It's up to you. A really nice color though. I like that white one. That one's a good color. Aqua. Ooh, even the blue. Yeah, this is definitely a nice one to take on the road with you. To your home or office or wherever you do your work. Library. There we go. Super cool. Super lightweight too, guys. I'm really impressed. So I got this big old Bertha one right there. It's pretty heavy, but big difference. And then, like I said, it's really nice on the fingertips. If you have like arthritis, stuff like that, you should have no problems with this one. It doesn't hurt your fingers at all. So, really nice and smooth. Nice design. Really well made. Check them out, YouTubers. Almost forgot the mouse. We even look at the little mousey. She lights up too. Almost abandoned her. Look at that. This is adjust speed. Scroll down. Yep. I'm liking the glow. Like I said, super slim combo right here. There we go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe and take it easy out there. See you soon. Goodbye.